Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about mobile and wireless communication subject, and in that we can discuss about CDMA 2000. What is CDMA 2000 and what is the importance of CDMA 2000? How to CDMA 2000 are different than other technology? Which topic is which features will you overcome in CDMA 2000? Okay, then we start. First, CDMA 2000. It is a family of for 3G mobile cellular communication for transmission of voice, data, and signal. It is a one type of family in 3G technology. Okay, 3G technology family आहे ही, आणि ज्यामध्ये आपण काय करतो, व्हॉइस, डेटा आणि सिग्नल काय करतो, ट्रान्समिशन करतो. ओके, अँड दिस टेक्नॉलॉजी इट इज अ specifically developed by International Telecommunication Union. This is a very important term, International Telecommunication Union. This is a one type of organization which gives some wireless communication related specification. Okay, which regulate the terms used in wireless communication. Okay, वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन मध्ये जे रूल्स रेग्युलेशन आहे जे ITU काय करतं, डिसाईड करतं. ठीक आहे. In IMT 2000 there are some uh, transmission rate for voice and data, that is CDMA 2001X RTT is used for voice, and CDMA 2001X EW it is used for data. Okay, it support mobile communication at the speed between 144 kbps to 2 mbps. Okay, this is one type of 3G type of family, so this data rate is relatively low as compared to 4G. Okay, it uses some packet core network for high speed secure delivery of data packet. Okay, for sending and receiving the data, it use packet core network for sending and receiving the data packet. Okay, data packet is a procedure of sending and receiving the data. Okay, and this type of is this type of computer wireless communication use 3G modulation technique, that is multi-carrier modulation technique to 3G network. This gives data rate, greater bandwidth, and better voice quality. This type of technique will give multi-channel, multi-carrier modulation technique. So due to this, the data transmission rate, bandwidth, and better voice quality, it is available in CDMA 2000. This is the some features of CDMA 2000. Beside that, we can check what is the radio parameters of CDMA 2000. This is a one type of USB wireless model. This is the one type of USB wireless model. This is one type of USB wireless model um, uh, developed by UAE. This company is developed this model. This is a CDMA 2000 type model. For this is used for sending the data or receiving the data. Okay, CDMA 2000 also known as C2K or IMT multi-carrier. It is a one type of family of 3G. This is already discussed. Okay, mobile technology standard for sending voice data signaling between mobile phones and cell site. This is already discussed. It is developed by 3GPP as a background compatible successor to second generation CDMA 1. This is developed by this company. It is not important, but you only remember this. This is called as C2K. This is used for voice, signal, and data. Okay, and especially North America. This standard is specifically used in North America and South America at that time. Okay, uh, so this is the advantage of CDM 2000. Okay, in this advantage, you can remember which advantage is easy to capture and easy to remember. So at this 11 advantage, you can choose any 5 to 6 advantage that you can easily remember. Okay, First advantage we'll consider that good voice clarity. In 3G network, the voice clarity is better, and high-speed broadband data connectivity. This is also another important advantage. Then increase throughput capacity of data and voice. Throughput means output. Throughput means output. So capacity of data and voice is increase output data. Okay, whenever user receive the data or transmit the data at receiving side, that is called as receiving side, that is called as throughput. So this increase, this throughput is increase. Another is long flexible network architecture. This architecture is flexible architecture means you can already study in my mobile ma subject, that is the architecture of 8081 8085. So this type of architecture is the flow chart, or what is the specific block diagram or connected to each other. User application and flow based quality of service. Okay, flexible spectrum allocation. This spectrum is all available in space for the users or any other companies who can work in telecommunication segment. So they pay for spectrum. So this spectrum, due to the spectrum, the cost of uh, any company, research company, will be increased. So most of people can select flexible spectrum allocation. Okay, most of users or most of the firms who work in telecommunication segment, they select flexible network allocation for their users. Then main advantage is, another main advantage is uh, improve privacy and security. Total cost is ownership is the total cost is low cost system, and this is a very low cost system. Okay, so you can select 5 to 6 advantage in that case, and you can easily remember. Okay, if you want another information related to this, please ping me a message, I will use a solution. Okay, then we check the disadvantage of CDMA 2000. The first disadvantage of CDMA 2000 is pollution of channel. Okay, in subscriber phone there are many signals from cell sites, but none of these is dominant, which result in degradation of quality. Okay, so this is a cell tower, and multiple user can talk with each other. So due to this, what happen? It increase the traffic. It increase the traffic in uh, cell site. So due to this, the voice quality should be degraded. Okay. Another advantage is international roaming. In CDMA 2000, there is a lack of international roaming ability. CDMA 2000 device which have to be used for internationally should have GSM radio for international roaming. If you want to call from India to Japan, India to China, or in India to America, North America, South America, these countries, so you require some international roaming facility. So this international roaming facility is available in CDMA 2000, but there are some it requires some GSM radio for use this type of facility. Okay, this is the disadvantage of CDMA 2000. Then we take some other important features of CDMA 2000. CDMA 2000 having very good performance as compared to another other technology. Before CDMA 2000, there is a low data quality, low data speed, low voice clarity, low capacity. So this is improve in CDMA 2000. Another is it support advanced mobile services. So this CDMA 2000 will support advanced mobile services such as multitasking, multimedia message, or any other video related service or image related service. This service is supported by CDMA 2000. Another is efficient use of spectrum. So this for giving the better voice quality, the CDMA 2000 use better efficient use of spectrum. Okay, efficiently use their spectrum. Another is selection of device. CDMA 2000 has a significant cost advantage as compared to other 3G network. It have a wide selection of mobile devices. Okay, so selection of device, we can you can choose which device is compatible for CDM 2000, and then you can purchase this device. Another is flexible. CDM 2000 system have been designed for rural and urban areas. Okay, so this is type of system which used for both the area, rural as well as urban. Okay, some cities or any rural villages, so this system will be flexibly adaptable. Okay, the frequency band is 450 megahertz, 80 megahertz are available. Another is evolution path. CDMA 2000 provides seamless evolution path based on the principle of forward and backward compatibility. So it gives some evolution related path path evolution related path for using use of these services. So these are the radio parameters in CDM 2000. First is frequency band. So you can use any frequency band. Cheap rate of this type of system is 1x and 1.223 MCPS, that is I think Mbps, megabits per second. Frame range is 5 millisecond, 10 millisecond and 20 millisecond. So frame range should be minimum to higher. And the requirement of power control rate is 800 megahertz. The power control rate for the base station is 800 megahertz. Splending factor is 4 to 256 uplinks, and maximum minimum required frequency band is 25 1x. This is I think 1x and 3x either a version. For when a 1x version, it require 1 into 1.25 megahertz, and for 3 version is 3 into 3.75 megahertz. Likewise, the maximum user data rate for 1x 144 kbps to 307 kbps for 1x, that is for 1x EV. So this 1x EV and 1x DV we already discussed in this parameter, that is 1x and 1x and 1x EV voice and data. So this is the 1x EV, 1x EV voice and data. So these types of services are already supported by this CDM 2000. And for the maximum data speed is 1.8 Mbps for 1x DV. So this is the all about CDMA 2000. If you want any other information, just ping me the message which information you want, and I will make a video on that. Okay, thank you for watching this video.